Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and crypto trading. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to withdraw USDT from OKX to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified OKX account, which means you've completed identity verification for security reasons. Also, ensure you have enough USDT in your wallet to cover the withdrawal amount plus any fees. Security is key in 2025, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. Step 1. Log into your OKX account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see your balances. Find USDT and click on it. Look for the Withdraw option. That's your gateway to getting your funds out. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Now, choose the withdrawal method. For bank transfers, pick the fiat withdrawal option, which might be labeled as bank transfer or fiat withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but keep an eye on the minimum limits and any conversion rates if needed. Remember, USDT is a stablecoin, so it should be pegged to the US dollar. Before you proceed, you'll need to input your bank account details. Make sure they're accurate to avoid any delays. OKX will show you the estimated fees and processing time. Typically, this can take from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank and network congestion. Don't forget to review and confirm everything. You'll likely need to verify via email, SMS, or 2FA. Once you've confirmed, sit back and wait. Your withdrawal is now processing. In 2025, with advancements in blockchain tech, these transactions are faster and more secure than ever. Finally, check your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. And that's it. Withdrawing USDT from OKX to your bank account is easier than you think. Always prioritize security. Never share your keys or details. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.